Right person, wrong time. Naniniwala ka ba dun? If your answer is no, for you palusot lang siya, allow me to give you a new perspective. By the way, my name is Robin Setias. This is Rob's Thoughts. Random thoughts lang. Alam mo, naniniwala kasi ako, at some point in your life, if you meet enough people, you're bound to find someone who checks all of the boxes sa checklist mo. Like, ganda, talino, gwapo, kung ano man yun. Check niya lahat. And let's say, naging kayo, but for some reason, it still didn't work out. Kahit you find the right person, like, okay na to right person na to, technically, hindi pa rin siya nag-work out. That just means, you were just not ready. It was just not the right time. And for me, that's okay. Alam mo, there's nothing wrong with not being ready to commit. Hindi ka pa pala ready to unconditionally love someone. Agape. Diba? Unconditionally love someone. To be fair, sobrang hirap nun. Pero sabi nga nila, Rob, bakit ka papasok ng relationship, hindi ka pa pala ready? There's a lot of times kasi when you enter a relationship, and feeling ko, especially in my generation, feeling ko kahit yung mga millennials, ganito rin naman. They enter a relationship thinking they were ready. And some point along the way, they realize na hindi pa pala. And for me, that's okay. Problema lang doon, may masasaktan ka talaga. Pero at least when you realize, umalis ka. And yeah. So it was just not the right time for you. Okay lang yun. Kasi unconditionally loving someone requires so much from a person. And not a lot of people actually understands what commitment entails them to do. Some people might say though na, Robin, palusot lang yun. Right person, wrong time. Walang ganun. Because if it's the right person, it should be the right time. Or like, there's no wrong time for the right person. Actually, they have a point also. If they're pertaining to time as circumstance. For me, circumstance doesn't really matter. Sometimes nga, mas masarap magmahal or mas umaapoy yung pagmamahal when the circumstances doesn't allow them or makes it hard for them to love one another. Mas kumakapit pa yung isa't isa. Alam mo yun? Doon ako nag-agree na for me, palusot lang yun circumstance. Pero, I'm pertaining to time as not the right time for you as a person. Hindi ka pa pala ready magmahal ng tama. You were just not ready to handle the right person at that certain time of your life. Good thing is, kung naghiwalay kayo, may chance rin naman magkabalikan, let's say, kung ready ka na talaga. Sometimes that happens, pero hindi ka rin super sure. Alam mo, just to end this, I always say, that's okay, that's okay. Because you really don't have to pressure yourself. You don't have to force yourself to be ready. Kasi sobrang hirap talaga magmahal ng totoo. Yung problema is that kahit alam nating hindi pa tayo handa, we enter a relationship. Kasi sobrang sarap naman yung feeling na may nagmamahal sa'yo. I know. Pero ending, kung matino ka lang ring tao, makukonsensya ka eh. Because meron kang masasaktan. Meron kang masasaktan. Sobrang hirap kaya sa feeling na alam mong merong nagmamahal sa'yo ng buo, and then ikaw, alam mong hindi mo siya kayang mahalin ng tama. Kasi you were not ready. And a lot of people, especially in my generation, nobody has the guts. A lot pala, hindi pala lahat. A lot of us, we don't have the guts to let go of a person that we know we cannot love ng tama. Kaya ang raming tao nagsistay kahit toxic na sila. Kasi alam naman nilang hindi sila iiwan ng tao na yun. So, okay, stay na lang ako. I think it's better to focus ka muna sa sarili mo. Acknowledge na you're not ready. But make sure you find ways to be ready para when the right person comes once again, napapahalagahan mo na siya. You can actually nurture that relationship properly. You can actually take care of that person properly so that it can last forever sa buhay mo. Because if you really care and if you really love that person, don't you think you would want to love them the right way? And sabi ko nga sa friend ko, relax ka lang. Lagi daw hindi nag-work yung mga relationships niya. Sabi ko, relax ka lang, bata pa tayo. But even if that's not the case, even if matanda ka na, relax ka lang. Because what's great about love, what's great about relationships, is that it only has to work one time. Yun lang. I hope you learned something. I hope I made sense. And comment kayo if you like this long format videos. That's it. Bye, guys.